I will solve this question. Write a Python program to print all prime numbers from 1 to 100 using a for loop. Use the break statement to optimize the code. So first I will write for num in I will start from 2 because 1 is not prime number. Yeah, till 100 because 101 means in print it will count as n minus 1. So for num in range 2 to 1 is prime equals to true. First I initialize prime is true, then for I in range 2 init num. Basically it's a square root. So if num divisible by I, which means it has a fact, so obviously it's not prime number, so is prime equals to false, and break the loop. If it's prime, then print num and have to show the output in one line. So I will use and yeah.